Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to remix reels on the Instagram in 2023. So how you can remix any reels on the Instagram. Watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, after that you have to select any reel you want to make a remix. So multiple reels will appear here, so I simply select any reel from here to give you an idea. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the three dot icon here. As you can see, I have tapped on three dot icon, and after that multiple options will be appear here. You have to click on the remix. Once you will click on the remix, you can easily create a remix reel on the Instagram in 2023. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.